Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, what if I told you that the master signal for Bitcoin just flashed? And this is no clickbait, guys. This is no drama. Hear me out. Watch until the very end. What I am talking about is the master signal which flashed so far in 2013. I'm talking about June 2013. Afterwards, we had a massive pump towards the upside. Thousands of percentages. The next time, 4 years later, exactly 4 years later, in June 2017, the same signal flashed. We had a massive pump towards the upside. And what if I told you that right now this signal is flashing once again? I will tell you exactly what I am expecting according to that signal for Bitcoin, not only in the immediate short term, but also for the remainder of the year. Of course, I will be going over into the immediate short term, talk about this Wyckoff pattern, which is unfolding in front of our eyes, which is actually replicating exactly what it should replicate. I was talking about that for a few weeks already. People were actually laughing at me. I don't see anyone laughing anymore after we are actually replicating it exactly here up to the exact candlestick. And of course, I will be talking about a new pattern which is unfolding in the Bitcoin charts on the hourly, on the 4 hourly. I will be talking about my trades and much more. Of course, guys, I will be also talking about the trade which I am having open right now, $155,000 in a profit. You remember I opened it, $1.5 million. I announced it on Twitter. I announced it on YouTube. I will be talking about that, guys. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Of course, I will be talking about the next trades as well. And if you want to take advantage of the upcoming volatility, go down below and click my link here. It is an affiliate link. You get a bonus, I get a bonus, but I have accumulated $3,000 in bonuses. Click the link, step number 1, and after your initial deposit, after making an account with the link in our pinned comment here down below the video, you can claim your big bonus and $3,000 at the 30x level, which is almost $100,000 trade for free. You can leave your own money on the sidelines and trade only with the bonus. Now let's go straight into the content, guys, and I can tell you, if you click this video once again, I mean, honestly, let me quickly go over back to this here, you are in for a treat. And I want to talk about this master signal towards the end of the video. It's the most important part, so make sure you stick here until the very end. First of all, let's talk about this here. So, well, nothing new actually. Bitcoin once again perfectly following the trajectory. We are going here into the spring phase in phase C, dipping down and now zigzagging slightly towards the upside in this consolidation mode. Exactly what we should expect here. So for the next few days, probably we can expect a zigzag accumulation towards the upside before in phase D we are retesting and then going towards the upside. This is at least what this pattern is predicting. Now let me go over here into the immediate short term for Bitcoin. What you can see, we are still in this symmetrical triangle formation for Bitcoin. What I wanted to focus on is, before I'm going into the long term, into this master signal, is this potential. It's a potential head and shoulders pattern. And guys, please treat it as a potential one. What we need for that one is, of course, a break above the neckline here. And you can even wait for a break above this one here to also confirm the W breakout. If this would actually happen, then the breakout towards the upside wouldn't wait for all too long, but honestly, guys, take this with a grain of salt. The price target for this one is $41,000. What I'm personally expecting here, and for this I have to go back to the 4 hourly candles, is a retest here of the EMA ribbon, because right now the EMA ribbon is converging with this downward sloping neckline of the W pattern and of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So we can expect a retest here. Bitcoin is still on the 4 hourly in a downtrend. Lower lows, lower highs. So we have to break this level of approximately $34,800 to go bullish. Otherwise, we remain bullish in the immediate short term. This is what I wanted to talk about. But now, guys, I actually wanted to talk about the short term more, but this master signal is so much of significance that I don't want to hold back longer with that. I will go into it right now. I will tell you exactly what that means in an historic perspective and what we can expect for Bitcoin in the immediate short term right now. Let me go into it. And by the way, guys, I am having my trade still open. As you can see right there, $160,000 in profits. You remember I opened it at $1.5 million, and I will add another at least $1.5 million if we are closing with significant volume, a candle above the resistance of the symmetrical of the descending triangle. A descending triangle is of course a very bearish pattern, and probably everyone who is in crypto for a few years remembers the one in 2018 where the last bulls were still hoping for a break towards the upside, but in the end we still eventually broke down. This is a very significant pattern as well. Technically, from a probability standpoint, the likelihood is higher to break towards the downside. But I told you multiple times why I personally think that we have bottomed out at 28,800. I actually mentioned this price target almost up to the exact dollar before. And so far, it seems like I am right with my worst case scenario I mentioned since 58,000 US dollars. Leave in the comment section down below for all the doubters. If you are subscribed to MMCrypto for more than 1 or 2 weeks, I said that multiple times and I'm still sticking to that. But of course, a descending triangle gives a little bit of doubt to it because it's a very bearish pattern. Now, let's go here into this crazy one. So here, guys, you can see the Bitcoin price on the weekly candles, so every candlestick represents 1 week, and this is the first cycle, and I am dividing the cycles here of course with by the halving. So every vertical line here is the halving for Bitcoin, where the future inflation is getting cut in half every single time afterwards. I was marking it with the green boxes. We are getting a parabolic rise towards the upside, and every single time Bitcoin is converging between support and resistance here on the weekly candles before we are getting the next halving and breaking towards the upside for good again. Then we are having here the same thing again, converging trend lines, breaking towards the upside after the halving. Nothing new. But what is this master signal, guys? And here I already gave a big shout out to my friend from Anup from MMCrypto, because what we can see here, and let me start with the first one. I eliminated for the Fibonacci extension levels everything but the Fibonacci golden pocket. If we are going from the bear market low right here to the bull market high, then you can see every time after the halving, Bitcoin is going to this massive run towards the upside, getting a rejection and then confirming the Fibonacci golden ratio. This was in June 2013. And if you are saying, well, price action for Bitcoin doesn't repeat, but it rhymes, I can tell you guys, you are right. Because let me go to the next one. If I am doing the same thing, once again, from the bear market low to the previous bull market high. And guys, I wanna give you a small warning. Sit down. Sit down if your nerves are not strong enough for this. We are running after the halving towards a massive run towards the upside, breaking down, confirming the Fibonacci golden ratio in June 2017, 4 years after the other confirmation. And well, guys, if you think I'm done with you, wait a little bit longer. If I'm pulling this from the bear market low to the bull market high, then you can see the exact same thing here unfolding again. Bitcoin confirming the Fibonacci golden ratio according to the previous price action for Bitcoin. Every single time we are doing that, afterwards we are going to a massive run towards the upside. This is what we can expect right now for Bitcoin. Am I telling you this is a 100% likelihood? No, of course not, guys. But according to the price action, actually what happened so far is exactly what we should be predicting for Bitcoin. And if I am telling you how the gains were every time we were bouncing from here, 2,600% after the first golden ratio bounce. Let's go to the next one. I want to make it as accurate as possible. Right there, 900%. So from here, according to this model, 2,700%, 900%, we could expect without any exogenous factors, without any central banks printing money, without any economic uncertainties, without any institutions investing into Bitcoin, without any El Salvador's and other potential countries enabling Bitcoin as legal tender. Without all of that, we can already expect a 300% return, Bitcoin going way above 300,000 US dollars. Without that. So let me know down below what you expect for Bitcoin here as bull market high. I am personally predicting a price target of at least 200,000-300,000 US dollars, if not even higher. According to this model, we can expect at least 100,000 US dollars. I think this is a very conservative price target. I know, guys, this was a little bit of a different episode. I used my computer here, but I thought I really have to show it to you. So I actually took everything off. I canceled all my appointments, meetings and whatever to show you that. If you appreciate that, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And if you want more of these little bit different videos, Let me know down below and leave your thoughts in the comment section. I will be joining the discussion here once again and talk with a few people of you here in the comment section down below. Share the video with your friends, and of course, guys, thank you so much for watching until the very end. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.